Hi everyone, I wanted to jump on and share a little bit about lip balms because if you weren't aware, I've just had my lips done for the first time and I love them. But the healing process was worse than what I thought with them feeling so dry and chapped. So I bought various lip balms to try and ease, to take the discomfort away, to stop them feeling so dry and things like that. And it was really hard to find one, but I did. So first of all, we tried Burts Bees. I loved it. I got the pomegranate flavour, but it really still tasted like beeswax. So I wasn't a fan of that, but it did make them smoother. Then I thought, right, let's spend a bit more money on lip balms. I mean, that was £4, and then another, I don't even know how much this one was, but this is the Okeefes. And I love their products for your feet and for your hands for healing, for when they're dry and chapped. So I thought the lip balm's got to be really good. It was horrible. It was like it was really hard and it just wasn't soft and smooth. It didn't give me the feeling that I wanted on my lips. So anyway, I think I used that a couple of times and thought this is rubbish. So then I decided to try my own product. Can you believe it? Yeah, I know, my own product. I hadn't used it first. So I did, and honestly, it's blooming brilliant. So this is the Fontainavie Lip Repair Balm, and it really is lovely and smooth. And you can see even when it goes on, if you can. If you can't, you can't. But it really makes you, it doesn't taste horrible. It's got a very mild taste. I don't know what, but it just doesn't taste waxy. It's nice, as lip waxes go. But anyway, so I've got some notes on this. So it is a dry lip rescuer, and it really did help my lips, through the healing process. It is actually based on castor oil. It also is enriched with beeswax, but it doesn't have that beeswaxy taste. It's got candelilla in it, carnauba wax, almond oil, lanolin, and vitamin E. It is also contains hyaluronic acid. Why I didn't even think about getting this in the first place, I do not know, but it's got hyaluronic acid in it, so it's going to even plump your lips up even more. So there's a couple of options for this. You can actually, I'll drop the link to it below now so you can order it yourself, or you can sign up, open your own account for free, and you can get it even cheaper. So there you go. This one was definitely the one to use when you've just had your lips done.